What is going on, you guys? Welcome back, man. It's been like what, 2 weeks? No, not 2 weeks, like 10 days maybe. It's been freaking working and stuff like that. I actually just cleaned my car. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually really clean. I spent like 3 hours detailing the interior yesterday, and I was like, nah, it's about time I clean my own car. But this video is basically what's next, man. What's next for the 440,000? What is coming? What are we gonna be doing? And there's a couple things that I'm gonna be doing. If you guys didn't know, my birthday is September 11, which is next week, Wednesday. So for my birthday, I want to get a steering wheel, as well as paint my rims. So that is the, hold on, this sun is bad. That's the plan, man. The plan is to get my rims painted, powder coated, and then to get a new steering wheel. Obviously, when I get a custom steering wheel, it's gonna take like, I don't even know, I think it takes like a whole month to really get it. So, but at least I want to have the order in, that way I know that it's coming, and that way we can have a new steering wheel. But how you guys been though? I hope you guys have been doing good. Stay blessed out there, do your thing. But the car has been pretty good lately. I did order yesterday. I ordered my oil, the engine oil, because I need to do it. It's been telling me, I think I have, let's check right now. Hold on, I think it says engine oil due, I think 1,100 miles left, but I'm gonna do it before that, because you know, when you have a tuned car, you kind of want to have it done ASAP, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta do that. And then I was looking to do my transmission oil myself, but it sounds like a headache, so I might probably just take it somewhere. I feel like it's about that time I do that. And besides that, that's it, man. Definitely want to get a new steering wheel though, and get my freaking rims painted and go from there. So, but the car smells good, nice and clean. And yeah, bro, just been chilling, bro, to be honest. Just been chilling in the 440,000. Haven't even put the car in sport in a while too. Let's go ahead and put it in sport, have some fun, see what's going on, see what's up, man. Here's some pops. Oof. Been a minute, I ain't gonna lie. Literally, guys, you guys probably don't believe me, but I literally, the only time that I have this car in sport is literally when I'm doing videos, bro. I just be, other than that, I really just be cruising. I really don't be, you know, doing much, bro. But when I'm recording for the YouTube, for you guys, you know, I always put it in sport. Look at this area, bro. It's mad quiet. Like, where the people at? It's so quiet over here. Oh my god. Oof. Y'all hear that thing? That thing sound mean. Pretty mean machine. Little evening, little drive. It's getting cold outside, bro. It's no longer summer. I know it looks like it's hot, but it's not. It's pretty cold out, I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty good. It's like a good weather. It's not hot, but it's not freezing, but it's like you feel like the fall is coming for sure. That's what it feels like. Oh man, we got a BMW right in front of us. What is this? A 230i, 230,000. X3M comp too, stuff. I don't know why, but every time I've been around this little area over here, there's been cops. Last time we got fakely pulled over. Apparently I ran a red light, but I didn't really. I thought I didn't, I guess, and but he let me go. He was cool about it. Yeah, right now we're just on our way home from practice, and that's pretty much it. I figure why not do a little POV drive on the way back, because I've been a little, you know, away for a little while, and it's time to be back on the little grind, you know. One reason I haven't been recording though is because I lost my GoPro for like a week, bro. I had no clue where my GoPro went, and then today I found it. So I was like, yo, there it is. So time to get back on the grind. Now we out here, my boys. I was thinking of maybe detailing the outside of the car today, but I'm not sure. I definitely gotta use the glass cleaner, because yesterday I would put a whole bunch of leather conditioning, a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I touched the glass by mistake. So if you guys see, there's like little dots on my screen, but that's because it's like, I don't know, the spray bottle thing that I use, and I don't want to touch it now because it's gonna get all over the place. So, but yeah, enough of me talking for a little bit, just because one of you guys commented and said I talk too much. I was like, damn bro, ouch. He said, I can't even hear the car because you be chatting. My fault, bro. Damn. Don't beat me up now. I'm starving too. I gotta eat. I gotta eat something. Be going on the highway here pretty soon, seeing what's going on over there. Oh, this street is messed up. Damn, this street, oh my gosh, this street is nobody go looking. Oh man. Ho. What's up with this traffic, buddy? What's going on with this traffic, brethren? Look at that Porsche coming too. Nice little Porsche. Is that a turbo? Those things are so tough, bro. I gotta take this real slow because that thing will mess up your tires. There we go. Good. We out. What was that? Is this guy running onto the highway? What the heck? Yo! Dímelo! Tranquilo! Yeah, just finished practice behind you. Alright, I'll see you, bro. You already know. Alright? Alright. That was one of the coaches. One of the coaches for our team. And I was like, wait, I feel like I know him. My boy running on that side of the highway. He getting after it. That's crazy. You won't catch me doing that. That's wild. But yes sir. Oh wait, I gotta switch over there. I'm on the wrong side, my boy. Look at this guy coming on that Mercedes. Slow your ass down. Look at you. Alright. Alright. Go crazy. Yes, sir. Car feels good. Is that a cop? I don't know, but I ain't testing it. Everybody's just cutting up. I must not be one. What should we eat today, y'all? I'm so hungry, bro. I'm thinking of getting some Shake Shack. Maybe I'll go to Shake Shack. But last time I was there, the line was freaking nuts. So I dubbed it and I went home instead. So, I don't know. I don't know. Go on this lane. Oh, no, that's not a car. It's some regular dude. suckers. Everybody crazy. I'm outside again. Nah, bro. What's up with this? This lane here. Oh, look at that. It's the i4. Is that electric? Would you guys comment below right now? Would you guys get an electric BMW? I know A-Man drove one for a little while as like a loaner, and he said it was good. I mean, it looked cool, but I don't know. I don't know if I could own an electric BMW. Maybe. You never know in the future. Maybe that's just the new wave and stuff, but right now, nah, bruh. I can't go away from these pops and bangs. Only for a little while, because you know, it doesn't drive me nuts, but I can't have it on 24/7. Then the mall look dead right now. It's like this is a weekday. The mall look dead. Last time I came, bro, this thing was so packed. It was last time I was here, I think it was Monday, and it was Labor Day weekend, so everybody was out here, bro. But now, no one, which is hopefully it's good for me, because I'm just trying to get that burger that I had last time. I don't even know the name of it, and bounce, bro, in and out. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, it's literally some people outside, but not that many. Do you guys like Shake Shack? If so, what's your favorite burger, or what do you get from Shake Shack? Because I think I've only had Shake Shack like maybe 3 times ever. I don't really be buying it because, for one, it's like, I feel like it's mad expensive for like a little ass burger, you know what I mean? So, but today I don't know, I'm really craving it, so I might just do it, bro. Just do it. What do we got over here? M6. Definitely M6. Where's my boy going? Yeah, I don't know where my boy's going, but I'm finna park right here. Alright, my fault. The way you're moving, I was confused. Oh, this nigga don't know how to park, talking about I'm trying to park there. That nigga L freaking Parker. Oh, that's clean. I like that. Is that a C43? Yeah. Man, this is mad far, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm parking right in front. I don't care. Hold on, I'm coming back around, bro. I'm parking right in front of that shit. I don't care. That's the OD parking, but these parkings are too deep, bro. Ah, this is not that bad. I'll park right here. Far from everybody. Ish. Anyway, hold on. I'll be back, y'all. Let me go get this burger real quick if it's not too crazy, y'all. See you in a bit. Alright, you guys. So this is where I got. It's called the smoked burger, I guess. Got a double. It has like bacon and whatnot. And then I got some fries. And then I got a bev, of course. But that's about it, man. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this real quick, and then pretty much just head home, which is not too far. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video though, man. Stay safe out there. I love you guys. Peace.